Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make mouth beats while humming, and this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to make some mouth beats as you are humming, this is definitely the video for you. I'll show you and tell you exactly how to do just that. So the first thing that you have to do is do them separately, okay? So we're going to start off by humming. So just create a little bit of a humming tune. This is going to be the one that I'm going to use for this specific tutorial. And on and on and on, just exactly like that. Okay, now that you've sort of got your little bit of a humming tune, you're gonna next move on to the mouth beats portion. So you're gonna create some sort of beats with your mouth. Now, the ones that I use in terms of using mouth beats as you are humming and creating beats as you are humming are basically contained within your mouth. You want to avoid anything that uses like wind or your throat, because then it's going to interrupt your humming. So I stick to very basic ones like so that is the beats portion. Now we're going to bring them together. Very, very simple. What I like to do, and I'll show you also what doesn't work towards the end of the video, something that you should try to avoid if you can. But what I like to do in terms of what works is I like to start off with a mouth beat, and then I incorporate humming, okay? And if you do something that's going to use your air or your throat, then it's going to interrupt your humming and it won't sound right. And I'll go over that after. But for now, we're going to start with a mouth beat, and then we're going to incorporate some humming. So just listen to me start off with a mouth beat, and then we're going to incorporate some humming, and we'll bring it together. So just listen to exactly how it sounds. So as you can see, I brought them together, and that is basically what it sounds like. Now, if you incorporate something that uses your throat or even like your wind, like something like a tss, 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 it's going to interrupt your humming and it won't sound right. So I'm going to try and hum, and I'll do that sound, tss, 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 and you're going to hear that I can't do both at once. Maybe some people can. I don't have the skill or the experience to do both at once. So if I'm humming, I can't do both at once. The humming pauses. It just doesn't work for myself. So the way to sort of go around that is what I showed you before, which is to create some sort of beats with just your mouth, just as I showed you before. If your beats can be contained sort of within your mouth and don't use your throat or your air for the most part, then you should be able to hum as you do them. But experiment and see what works for you. But that's just how I do it, and I figured I would show you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. And yeah, I've got nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. And with nothing else to say other than me hoping that you enjoyed the video, we're going to officially roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.